So, guys, if you have a problem like this, namely Windows Update downloading doesn't work, in this video, I will share the solution. Well, in this video, I will share how to fix Windows Update service not running in Windows 10. Okay, here's the tutorial. First, please make sure your device is properly connected to an internet connection. Then, click Advanced Options. Then, follow as I did. And if so, please come back. Now, Windows Update is paused, then click Resume Updates. Please wait. Now you can see, the downloading process is running again. Please wait for the process to finish. Then, if you are asked to restart your device, do so, if you are not doing anything important.
A few minutes later.
And this is the result after I managed to update Windows on my device.
Good job!
So, that's the video this time. Hope it's useful, and if you have any questions just write in the comments and see you in the next video.